Euro against US dollar. This week has rise in value, and we can see the price has gone above 1.1 price level, continue to rise value, and it has reached 1.11 price level, which is the next resistance level, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis that there is a high potential that the price will continue to rise value after this price made this bullish breakout, and the price has done just that. A weekly time frame shows us after the price has formed this bullish breakout above 1.098, continue to rise in value without returning back down to this previous resistance, now acting as a support, and then reverses back up, but the price has continued to rise value with a strong bullish candle. We can see that here, where the price stopped just at 1.118 resistance level, which is the next one. A monthly time frame shows us clearly what is this one. It is a pretty clear bullish signal, where the price has gone all the way back up over a very important resistance level 1.098, and then it has reached 1.11. We have one more week until this month close, but if the price stays right here where it is and not going below this one, it will be a great signal for the bulls, which means the price has gone all the way back up and gone above this trend line, which is acting now as a resistance. This means a potential further rise in value. Now, what is very important, it is always important to remember that after the price reaches this price level around this one, 1.1, there is a high probability that the price will retrace back down, make a pullback. Now, the weekly time frame shows us what is this. This means there is a high probability that the price could rise about here around 1.1 and around this area, and then back down. Just to return slightly because of this selling pressure, and also the bulls who have entered in the trade here, they will exit their trades right here, which will also activate sell-off that will push the price down. Now these are levels much more important, visible on the daily time frame, and that means if the price goes above, we can see that 1.13 is the next one, the price could return all the way back down to 1.107, which is the next support level, just to make a sell-off and then find enough strength to push the price again higher. Now, will the price do that? This is something that we'll watch on the daily time frame, but what is currently visible, there is a potential that the price will continue to rise value, but also a potential that the price will turn back down. Now, the price is at this resistance level, which means a high sell-off, which means also a selling zone, a supply zone where the sellers are waiting. For now, as it looks, there is a probability that the price will continue to return back down around 1.15 and then continue to rise value, or it will break even more down. This is something that we need to watch on the 4-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame to see how the price behaves around these price levels. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.